Hello students, welcome to Maths Plus. In previous video, we have discussed factors and multiples. Today we are going to discuss prime factorization. What does prime factorization mean? Prime factorization means expressing a number as a product of only prime factors is called a prime factorization. Means what? In another word, writing a number as product of prime factors is called a prime factorization. Okay, let's discuss with few examples. First example is 90. When we find factors of a given number, we deal with a big problem. What? We have numbers, multiple numbers in our hand and searching the numbers which can divide the given number. We have already discussed the divisibility test. Now it's time to apply it. How? See, first example given is 90. Then let's solve it. See, first factor of 90. Ones place 0 means this number is divisible by 2. And 2 is prime number, so circle it. 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. 45 is composite number. So, square that. Then again 45 is divisible by which number? See, 2 not possible because 1's place is 5. 5 plus 4, 9 means this number is divisible by 3. 3 is prime number, so circle it. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. Again 15 is composite number and 15 is again divisible by 3. Then 3 5s are 15. Now here see 5 is prime number, so circle it also. Then now which factors we got? Prime factors. Which prime factors we got? See, 90s 2, 3, 3 and 5. Okay. Any another way we can find out factors of 90? Yes, obviously. Which way? See, 90 is also divisible by 3 and 3 also prime number. So circle it. 3, 3s are 9 and 0s are 0. 30 is composite number, so square it. Then 30 is again divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3, 0 means 3 10s are 30. Another again 10 is divisible by 3. No, it is divisible by 2. Then 2 5s are 10. Now here which factors we got? See, 3, 3, 2 and 5. Okay. Any another way we can find the factors? Yes. Which way? See, 90 is divisible by, see, 5. So, take first of 5. Circle it because prime number. 5 1s are 5. 5 8s are 40. 18 is composite number. So, square it. Then, 18 is again divisible by 3. 3 6s are 18. 6 is composite number. So, square it and 6 is divisible by 3. 2s are 6. 2 is prime number, so circle. Then see here, for 90 also we have to put square. Now see which factors we got. Here 90 is equal to 5 into 3 into 3 into 2. Okay. Here which factors we got? 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. And here which factors we got? 90 is equal to 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. From this example, what we observed? We could observe that the given factorization carried out in any way, but factors are unique. Okay, see here first we have find, first we took 5 is a prime number and then divide, then continue, then also we are getting same factors. Here first we divide 90 by 2, then also we got same factors, and here by 3, then also we are getting same factors means any way we carried out factorization, we are getting unique factors. Thus, every composite number factorized into prime factors in only one and one way, irrespective of order of its factors. So easy way, remember, to find all the factors of given composite number, divide successively all prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Okay, and this type of factorization, which method we have followed here, this is called the factor tree method. Which method? Factor tree method. See, first example is 78. To solve like this examples, questions how you are getting? Find factors of given number by factor tree method. Why this method is called a factor tree method? You know, trees picture is how? Branches like this, main branch, and like this. Yes, na? Like this only we are finding factors, but in opposite direction. So this method, like tree structure is formed of branches. So this method is called a factor tree method. Okay, let's see. First example is 78. First, what we have to do? Divide it successively by prime numbers, means 2, 3, 5, and apply divisibility test. 78, ones place 8 means this number is divisible by 2. Then first factor is 2. 2 is prime number, so circle it. Remember which is composite number for that square and which is prime for that circle. Then 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. 39 is composite number. 39 is not divisible by 2. Then it is divisible by 3. Then 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Here see, 3 and 13 both are prime numbers, so circle it. And which factors we are got for 78? 2 into 3 into 13. We have to write like this as a multiplication. Okay. See, factors are correct or not, how to check? 2 3s are 6 and 13 6s are 78 means which factors we got, that is correct only. Second example, see, 132. Ones place 2 means this number is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 66. 66 is again divisible by 2. Then 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 33. And 33 is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Both are prime numbers. So circle it. Which factors we got then for 132? 132 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. And see, remember, we have to carry out this division till we are getting all prime numbers. Remember, it is very important. Here you are not going to stop, then answer is wrong. We have to stop up to each and every factor should be prime number only. Next, third example, see, 250. 250 is composite number. Ones place 0 means yes, it is divisible by first 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now here see 125. That means not divisible by 2. Then check it is divisible by 3 or not. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 5 8 means not possible by 3. Then move forward. Divisible by 5. 1 plus 5 means yes, it is divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. 25 is again divisible by which number? Yes, it is divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25. Means which are the factors of 250 and which factors? Prime factors of 250 are 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, cleared up? Then see fourth example, 1452. 1452 ones place 2 means this number is divisible by 2. 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4, 1 remain, 2 sixes are 12. 726 is again divisible by, yes, 2. 2 threes are 6, 1 remain, 2 sixes are 12, 2 threes are 6. Here actually what we are doing, remember na? Understood? We are doing here division. Yes. 363 is not divisible by 2. Then let's check by 3. Yes, 3 plus 6, 9 plus 3, 12 means this number is divisible by 3. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 121. Now check 121 is divisible by which prime number? It is divisible by 5. No, 1's place 1. Then 7. Say no. 11. Yes, it is divisible by 11. 11 square is 121. So 11 and 11 we are getting two prime factors, and both have to circle because prime numbers. Means 1452's which prime factors we got? 2 into 2 into 3 into 11 into 11. Okay, easy na? Just remember, we have to divide given composite number successively by 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, so on. Next term, fifth example, see 3502. 1's place 2, it is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 remain, 2 sevens are 14, 1 remain, 2 fives are 10, 2 ones are 2. 1751. Now check 1751 is divisible by 2. No, 1's place 1. 3. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 14 means not by 3. 5. No, not have 0 or 5 at 1's place. Then 7. No. 11. No. 13. No. This number is directly divisible by 17. Then divide by 17. 17. 1s are 17. 5 carried out, not possible. 17 3s are 51. See, like this question you are getting. Don't confuse. 0 have to write middle only. What you are doing? 17 1s are 17 and 17 3s are 51, and you are writing here instead of 103 13, which is wrong. So be careful, or if you have any doubt, you can carry out rough work and actual division method. Okay, 17 1s are 17, 5 carried out, not possible, so 0, and then 1, 17 3s are 51. Understood? 103 how come? And 103 is divisible by, no, 103 is prime number only. 103 is prime number only. So we are getting factors of 3502 are 2 into 17 into 103. Okay. For this, what is important? Practice, and you should know all divisibility test. Okay. Next, sixth example, see 945. 1's place 5 means not divisible by 2. Then check 9 plus 4, 13 plus 5, 18 means this is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 1 remain, 3 5s are 15. 315 is divisible by 3 plus 1, 4 plus 5, 9 means again it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 0, 3 5s are 15. 5 plus 1, 6 means 105 is again divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 remain, 3 5s are 15. And 35 is not divisible by 3. 3 plus 5, 8. So it is divisible by 5. 1's place 5. Then 5. 7s are 35 and 7 also prime numbers. So we have to stop there. Then see which factors we got for 945. 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. And how to check our factors are correct or not? How to multiply all factors. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 5s are 135, 135 into 7 we are getting 945. Okay. Now another one method is there. This method is called the factor tree method, because trees branches like structure we are seeing here. Second method is division method. Then let's discuss division method means what. For division method we are getting question like this: find factors of given number by division method, and obviously all numbers are composite numbers only. We have to find its prime factors. First example is 80. Then start to divide it. Ones place 0 means it is divisible by 2. Prime numbers which we are going to divide for 80, that have to write left hand side. Composite number will come at right hand side, and one vertical line should be there. Then continue it. 2 4s are 8 and 0 means 2 into 40 we are getting 80. Again ones place 0 means this number is divisible by 2. Then 2 2s are 4, 0. Then again it is divisible by 2. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 0 again. 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Here also see up to all prime numbers we are getting, that we have to carry out the division. See all prime numbers we are getting here. Lastly we got 1. Then which factors we got for 80? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. How many times 2 see? 1 2 3 4, and here 1 2 3 4. Remember, 2 come or any prime number come more than 2 or 3 times, then count and write, otherwise we are missing one factor and answer we are getting wrong. See 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40, 40 2s are 80, means all factors written correctly. Okay. Next second example, see 975. Ones place 5 means not possible to divide by 2. Then by 3 see 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 5 21. Yes, this number is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 1 remain, 3 5s are 15. 325. 3 plus 2 5 plus 5 10 means this number is now not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 5. Then 5 6 are 30, 5 5s are 25. Again 1 plus 5 means again it is divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5, 1, 5 3s are 15. And now we know 13 is prime number. It is divisible by 13 only. 13 1s are 13. Means which factor we got for 975 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5 into 30. Okay. Then next third example, see 2907. 1 plus 7 means not divisible by 2. 9 plus 2 11 plus 7 18 means it is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27, 2 remain, 3 6 are 18, 2 remain, 3 9s are 27. 969. It is divisible by 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 323 is divisible by 2. No, 1s place 3. By 3, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 8 means not by 3. Not by 5 because 1's place 3, not 0 or 5. Then 7, 23 2s are 46 minus, no, 7 not. Then 11, 3 plus 3, 6, minus 2, 4 means not divisible by 11 also. Then 13, this number is divisible by 17. See, 17 1s are 17, 32 minus 17, remain 15 means 153 and 17 9s are 153, so 19, and 19 is prime number, so 19 ones are 19 means which factor we got for 2907? 3 into 3 into 17 into 19. Okay. Now next fourth example is 12,000. Ones place 0 means this number is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. Zeros as it is. Again ones place 0 means again this number divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. Again ones place 0 means it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 remain, 2 5s are 10. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 7s are 14, 1 remain, 2 5s are 10. 0. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 1 remain, 2 7s are 14, 1 remain, 2 5s are 10. 375. 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 5 15. This number is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 remain, 3 5s are 15. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 5 8 means this number is not divisible by 3. Then this number is divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10, 2 remain, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 1s are 5. Okay, means which factors we got? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? Just remember, while writing the factors of 12,000, write how many times got? That many times. 1 2 3 4 5 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then 3 one time and 5 3 times. 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, then let's discuss next example. 1197. See, 1s plus 7 means this number is not divisible by 2. Then check this number is divisible by 3. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 7, 18 means this number is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 2 remain, 3 9s are 27. 2 remain, 3 9s are 27. This number is divisible by again 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 133. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7 means this number is not divisible by 3. Not by 5. Like this, if you check now, this number is divisible by 7. 7 1s are 7. 13 minus 7. 6. 7 9s are 63. 19 1s are 19. And if you know table, 7 19s are 19 7s are 133. Then also you can get it easily. Then which factors we got for 1197? 3 into 7 into 19. Okay. Hope after watching this video you understood how to find the prime factors of given composite numbers by factor tree method or by division method. Then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Next video we will discuss HCF. What is meaning of HCF? How to find HCF? Okay. Thanks for watching.